Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share with you a new space for the tiniest babies that I have. And this is an attic in a different house, totally different than the attic that I've been sharing with you lately. So this here is in my red, white, and black house that you've seen before. I paid $25 for it. The rest of the rooms are a mess right now, so I am not going to focus on them. I want to focus on this space here. So what I want to show you about this is what I am going to be using as the little cribs. I have these little plastic pieces, right? Look at them very well. Some of you might recognize what this is for, this little cartridge. But this is a cartridge for staples that fit a copier. So I was left with a whole bunch of these from an old model copier. So they weren't going to be useful at all. So what I did was I removed the staples from here. They are flat, so I've been using them as trays in my bakery, my little miniature bakery. So this is the empty cartridge, right? I have a few of these. And I placed a little tissue in there to serve as the interior of the little crib. So since I have a few of these and I have a few tiny babies, they are all going to go in here. And this is a very small space, very small attic. So these cartridges, being that they're like the little cribs, fit in here perfectly. And I can fit a few of them. I could even fit more if I wanted to, but I want a little contrast. I want some other items other than the cribs. So I want you to stay tuned. Remember this little attic, so when you see it, you're going to say, wow. So I hope that you stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching.